Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some carving discs. Had a company reach out, a company named Graff. They have these carving discs available and asked if I'd be interested in doing a little review on them. So they're 4-inch discs, best for woodworking, made from premium carbon steel, special thorn design. In this package you get a curved one and a flat one. I'm going to have a link to these down below, guys, if you're interested. So you guys can buy them through Amazon, help support my channel, and get yourself some of these if you want. Now I've got them right here on an angle grinder. I believe they are a 5/8 bore. It says 4-inch, 7/8, and then it says 5/8. So I think it's just kind of going to depend on what you got going on here. Like, I know to fit these, the nut that's on this particular unit makes it so I can fit multiple size discs, right? So first look, I have a lot of use for the flat one. The round one kind of depends on the project, so I haven't used this one yet. Look at the teeth on this thing. Pretty darn sharp. Bubbles out, right? So depending on the shaping, great purpose for getting in and doing like neck fur on a bear, things like that. Could definitely see a lot of good use for this. The flat one, I'm going to show you guys this flat one. You can see I've already been using it, but I'm going to use it to remove overspray for a sign. So like when I carve up signs, I just spray paint the letters quick like this, let it dry, and then we got to remove the paint. Now, if you're using like a flat disc or the sandpaper style that goes on here, that stuff wads up really quick, and sometimes it's tough to clean. So we're going to see how this performs on here. Again, you guys can grab the discs, probably the tool, whatever else I could think of down below in the Amazon link. Shop through our Amazon store, you help support the channel and the videos, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, so without further ado, let's make some sawdust. Minimal buildup so far for removing that stuff. Check it out. Now this had a layer of white paint, clear coat, and then I sprayed the black over all of that. Several coats of paint we just removed. That thing isn't even really loaded up, if you guys can see. These are pretty handy. Again, if you guys want to pick some up, check out the link down below through Amazon. I see I got one more here. I started removal and then I was like, you know what? Let's finish it on here for everybody else. Do recommend ear protection and a dust mask if you guys are going to be doing this stuff. I'll have these linked below as well, alright? We got a little bit in there, right? But it's nothing crazy. Now it is a pretty coarse texture, so this does give you the ability, right, to clean these up. You can go back over something else, but it removes all that material really fast. If you're making signs like this, carving or other things, super easy, fast material removing tool. But if you need it to be a super fine finish when you're done, you're not gonna get that, right? It's gonna remove material quick, but it does still leave it rough. I'm not too worried about that. I don't mind it. These are gonna be rustic signs anyway, probably to go with bears or obviously hang off a camp. These seem to be a pretty good darn carving disc though. As of right now, I could definitely recommend them. I think they're doing what I'm going to be looking for them to do. You can keep an eye out in the future though. We'll end up getting this on and we'll implement it somewhere when we're chainsaw carving a piece. But yeah, Graff carving discs. Something you guys can pick up. Check out the link below through Amazon. Grab you a set. And appreciate you guys watching. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all so you guys don't miss any future uploads. We're doing a few more reviews and we've been carving live a lot lately. If you don't want to miss those lives, you gotta hit that bell, hit all, make sure YouTube notifications are on. Really do appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to check these out in the link. Have an awesome day.